Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see how to create the Windows 11 bootable USB. So once you have actually created this Windows 11 bootable USB, so you can easily install Windows 11 operating system in any of the system, or else you can troubleshoot any of the Windows 11 laptop or PC. In case if your Windows 11 is actually stuck up, means you can use this Windows 11 bootable pendrive for troubleshooting also. Now firstly, to create the Windows 11 bootable pendrive, so you just need a normal pendrive. So there is no difference between a flash drive or pendrive. So any of that, if you are having a pendrive also, but it should be a minimum of 16 GB like that. So once you have actually got the pendrive, so first of all you need to just format the pendrive. So here's the pendrive. So I already formatted this, just to format. So use a quick format also, just to format the pendrive, and after that just go to your Google Chrome browser or any other browser. So I have given the link in the description of this particular website. This is the official Microsoft website, and here you will find the option create Windows 11 installation media. So you have to download this. Just click on download and it will be automatically downloaded. I have already downloaded this, so I am just opening that file. So in the downloads folder, so here is a media creation tool W Windows 11. So just I am double clicking that and click the S, and after that it will be soon come. So after that just accept the terms and condition. Now just select for the language and the edition. So and so far the Windows 11 stable edition now will be available in the only single version. So this is a Windows 11. By default it will be already selected. Now just click on the next, and after that here is a two options. One is a USB flash drive and then ISO file. In case if you want a ISO file, means you can click that. So it will be download a ISO file. After that you can burn that ISO file into the DVD file or else with any other bootable pen drive like that. So I am clicking the USB flash drive. So after that click on the next, and now you have to select the which drive you want. So you actually need to insert that pen drive. So I have already inserted. So this is a ESD USB. I'm just click on this. In case if the drive is not shown, means here is a refresh drive list. Just click on that and then it will be automatically shown, and just click on that and click on the next, and after that it actually download the actual ISO file and it will actually create the bootable pen drive. Well, now let's wait for some time. It will actually downloading the Windows 11 OS. Now as you seen here, the Windows 11 operating system has been officially downloaded, and it now actually creating the Windows 11 media. That means it's actually creating the bootable pen drive. So let's wait for some more time. Now as you seen here, now the USB flash drive is ready. Now just click on the finish, and that's it. So now we are actually going to this PC section, and this is the pen drive. So here is the setup is already ready. So once we have actually double click on this, it will actually install the Windows 11 operating system. Yes, once we click that S, it will actually goes to for the Windows 11 OS. So as you seen here, so install Windows 11. So once we have actually proceed, we can able to install the Windows 11 OS. And also you can use this pen drive as a bootable drive, so in any of the laptop. So once you have actually booted, just restart the PC, and after that you can go for the installation procedure as per the bootable pen drive method. So now I am already using the Windows 11 operating system only. Now I'm going to close this. Well, now that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button below, and if you guys want to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.